In this video, I will walk you through the process of how to check your credit score on Lloyds Bank, but first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So let's dive in. To check your credit score with Lloyds Bank, you can follow these general steps. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and type lloydsbank.com into the address bar. Then click on Login button in the top right corner of the Lloyds Bank homepage. You will be presented with a drop-down menu. Choose Online for banking if you have a personal account or Business for banking if it's a business account. On the login page, enter your user ID and password to access your Lloyds Bank account. Once logged in, look for the More Action or Services tab. This is where you can find the option to check your credit score. Click on the Check Your Credit Score option to access your credit score information. You'll be provided with your credit score, along with additional information about your credit history and any relevant details. Lloyds Bank typically provides a summary to help you understand your credit scores better. Please note that the availability and exact location of the credit score checking feature on Lloyds Bank website may change over time, so it's a good idea to refer to the Lloyds Bank website or contact their customer support for the most up-to-date and detailed information. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.